Reformatting your computer doesn't have to mean kissing your creative flow goodbye, especially with Adobe Creative Cloud. First things first, understanding what's involved when you reformat. Think of it like a deep clean for your computer. Everything gets erased, including your Adobe apps and any related files you haven't saved elsewhere. Before we start, assess what needs backing up. Look for any custom brushes, presets, project files, or templates sitting inside Creative Cloud folder. If you're working with project files that aren't uploaded to the cloud already, be sure to keep copies of those. Now for the data transfer. If you are backing up from the cloud, you may skip this step. However, for local files, create a safe spot for your data: external hard drives, USB drives, or cloud storage, or your friends. Here, simply drag and drop those important files from your Adobe folder or your local hard drive into your chosen storage medium. Next, prepare your computer for the format. This process varies dramatically depending on the operating system. Your Mac or Windows instructions will be slightly different. At minimum, find out how to boot from a USB or DVD, then follow that operating system specific instructions for formatting the drive. After the format, it's time to reinstall Creative Cloud. Install Creative Cloud through the Adobe official website, then sign in using your Adobe account to activate the software. Finally, reinstall your Creative Cloud applications through the Creative Cloud app. Last step, restore your files. Once your apps are reinstalled, copy your backed up files back into the appropriate folders. Your custom presets and projects will be ready for use, and you'll be creating again in no time. That all, remember that creative spark you have can always be relieved, even after a computer format.